Zapier integration. How to integrate your landing page with over 1,000 apps. Zapier is an online service that lets you readily integrate more than 1,000 web apps without having to hire costly developers. By connecting to Zapier, Pagewiz makes it easy to send your leads to any of hundreds of different web apps you may be using. In this video, you'll see how to send leads to one such app, Google Sheets. In the same way, you can set up lead forwarding to any other Zapier-connected app. Let's go. From the Pagewiz interface, enter Settings for the page you want to integrate with another app. On the Settings page, go to Integrations, and from the Zapier entry, click Manage Integration. Select the form you'd like to integrate. Be sure that each form you're integrating has a unique name. Differentiating your form names is crucial for successful Zapier integration. Next, sign into Zapier or create an account if you don't already have one. Returning to Pagewiz's Zapier integration page, click this link to confirm. When you see your new Pagewiz Zap, click Create this Zap, and once it loads, click Save and Continue. Copy the complete URL at the bottom of the page, and when you're back at Pagewiz's Zapier integration page, paste it into the form box and click Save. Return to the Zapier page, click OK, I did this, and continue. Next, Zapier wants you to add an action step, and with it, an action app. Since our action app is Google Sheets, that's the app we'll search for and select. Click the Create Spreadsheet Row radio button, and then click Save and Continue. Now Zapier wants to connect to your Google account, and Google, of course, will ask you to allow it. Once you do, it's time to test your new Zap. Perfect! As always, click Save and Continue. Next, Zapier needs to know which Google Sheets spreadsheet to send your leads. In this case, I've already created one called My Leads. The sheet has separate name, email, phone, and time cells corresponding to the fields on my Pagewiz landing page response form. Zapier also wants some specifics about your Google Sheets file, beginning with the name of the sheet. In this case, it's the default, Sheet 1. Let's select what each spreadsheet cell will get from my Pagewiz leads. Once we're done, we click Continue. At last, we're ready to test our Google Sheets spreadsheet to make sure all those leads will go exactly where they should. When you're told the test was successful, click Finish and turn on your Zap. Finally, let's create a test lead on our Pagewiz landing page to make sure Zapier forwards it seamlessly to our Google Sheets spreadsheet. And there it is. Our Zap works like magic. That's all there is to it. Zapier integration is just one way Pagewiz offers the ultimate landing page platform for executing high-converting marketing campaigns. Question? Hit us up at support@pagewiz.com.